Your room feeling dry, dusty, or your skin getting irritated? This 180 milliliter mini air humidifier is the tiny gadget that transforms your entire space in minutes. Just plug it into any USB port and watch it release a soft aromatherapy mist that makes your room smell amazing, adds moisture, and instantly feels calmer. It even has soothing LED night lights and works perfectly in your car, bedroom, office, or while you sleep, with a super gentle and quiet mist that keeps the atmosphere fresh and relaxing. And right now, it's a massive 77% off, so grab it before the deal ends. Click the link and upgrade your vibe today.